When many brands think about on-site forms, they typically only think about one thing: first-time signups. While subscribing to your brand's marketing channels is an important first step in their journey, an advanced form strategy goes much further than that. It capitalizes on a site visitor's attention in the moment to move them forward in the marketing funnel to conversion or retention. But before we go on, if you're finding this video helpful, be sure to click like and subscribe for more content like this. As people navigate through your site, their needs change. Some visitors are discovering your brand for the first time. Others are comparing products or preparing to buy. And loyal customers may head straight to checkout to restock their favorites, where sign-up forms can feel irrelevant or even distracting. Different moments call for different form experiences, so advanced strategies adjust to meet people where they are. At the discovery stage, forms should help visitors understand your value before asking for commitment. For example, use a low-friction welcome form that explains what makes your brand different before offering an incentive to subscribe. As interest grows, forms reinforce relevance. Trigger forms based on browsing behavior, such as displaying an item they perused with a quick link to buy, and a counter for all the people who have already added this to their cart, instructing them to shop now while supplies last. You can even trigger forms to encourage someone to opt into back-in-stock alerts if the item is sold out. Closer to purchase, forms should reduce hesitation. Show time-sensitive forms during high-intent moments, like exit intent on the shopping cart or checkout pages. After purchase, forms can deepen relationships. Surface loyalty or VIP-only forms to returning customers based on their past purchase behavior. If someone was once a repeat customer and has just returned to your site after a period of inactivity, show off an exclusive discount to win them back. And beyond conversion, forms can also inform. Use announcement forms to communicate operational updates, key deadlines, or major campaigns that shape expectations. It's also important to remember that most form completions happen on mobile devices. In many cases, around 80% of submissions come from mobile, which makes mobile optimization essential. Forms should be easy to read, quick to complete, and designed for smaller screens. An advanced form strategy treats on-site experiences as dynamic touchpoints, not static sign-up tools. When forms evolve with customer intent, they help guide visitors from first interaction to long-term loyalty. If you found this video helpful, be sure to click like and subscribe, and check out the description for more content like this to help you learn and grow with Klaviyo.